alert! Safety alert!
The Berrien County 911 Department has established an alternate emergency number because of a 911 outage in the following municipalities: Eau Claire Village, Pipestone Township, and Berrien Township. Customers with a 461 prefix may not have the ability to dial 911 in those areas. People with an emergency in that outage area should still first dial 911. If an outage is found, the caller may call an emergency operator at this temporary phone number: 1-866-630-7679. People in other areas and those that do not have a 461 prefix are not affected by this outage and should continue to call 911 for emergencies. Monitor local media stations for more information and to determine when service is restored. Dial 911 for emergencies first. If an outage is found, hang up and use 1-866-630-7679 instead.
I'm come Santa Claus, I'm come Santa Claus.